Are you prepared to embark on this exciting journey? As you navigate the world of affiliate marketing, remember that every step you take leads to growth and knowledge. Imagine being part of a team where sharing ideas and strategies enhances your success. In John Thornhill's Ambassador Program, collaboration is encouraged, fostering an environment where everyone can flourish. You won't just be improving your skills, but also building relationships with like-minded individuals who share your ambitions. So, as you consider joining, think about the connections you'll make along the way. Each interaction brings you closer to mastering the art of affiliate marketing, setting you up for future victories. Stay motivated, stay focused, and watch as you transform your dreams into achievable goals within this thriving community. Exploring John Thornhill's Ambassador Program offers you more than just potential earnings. It provides an opportunity for personal and professional transformation. You will engage in comprehensive training modules that cover essential marketing techniques, ensuring you're always equipped with cutting-edge knowledge. Feel empowered by interactive webinars and resources designed to shed light on the successful strategies employed by top affiliates. As you progress, mentorship will guide you, offering invaluable insights tailored to your unique goals. With the program's emphasis on real-world applications, you will apply what you learn, witnessing direct impacts on your marketing approaches. Expect to experience challenges too. However, the support from John Thornhill and your peers will be your anchor through any storm. The spirit of collaboration is woven into the fabric of this program, creating a safety net that allows you to take calculated risks as you advance. Ultimately, this is not just about individual success. It's about uplifting each other as a collective force in the digital marketing arena. As you delve deeper into John Thornhill's Ambassador Program, the significance of community becomes abundantly clear. Imagine participating in lively discussions where your ideas are valued and your queries are met with knowledgeable answers. This program promotes engagement among members, offering forums and social channels that enhance your learning experience. Furthermore, you'll gain access to exclusive resources crafted specifically for your growth, empowering you with the tools necessary to navigate the affiliate marketing landscape with confidence. Each moment spent with fellow ambassadors will reinforce your commitment to success, transforming the journey into an enriching adventure that goes beyond mere financial rewards. As you harness the collective wisdom of your peers, you'll find strength in numbers, seizing the opportunities that lie ahead. The vibrant community within John Thornhill's Ambassador Program fosters an atmosphere of encouragement and collaboration, allowing members to share tips, celebrate successes, and overcome challenges together. Within this unique framework, you'll attend workshops that not only teach advanced marketing strategies, but also emphasize the importance of a positive mindset. The power of peer support cannot be overstated, as it creates a dynamic where every member feels empowered to take steps towards their individual aspirations. By pooling resources and insights, participants discover innovative solutions that elevate their affiliate marketing game. Remember, it's through collaboration that you'll harness the true potential of your abilities. And as you reflect on your journey, those connections made will prove invaluable. The friendships and alliances forged during this experience can lead to lifelong partnerships, nurturing growth beyond financial success. So, ready yourself to contribute to and benefit from this exceptional network, transforming challenges into achievements while gaining the confidence needed to thrive in the competitive landscape of affiliate marketing. Together, you will not only elevate your own skills, but also inspire others to reach their highest potential within the illuminated possibilities that John Thornhill's Ambassador Program presents. As you weigh your options, Take a moment to envision the benefits of joining a program that prioritizes education over mere sales. John Thornhill's Ambassador Program provides an incredible platform for continuous learning, urging participants to stay curious and driven. Each module is crafted to not only enhance your marketing skills, but also to foster critical thinking and strategic planning, paving the way for more informed decisions. In this atmosphere of innovation, every day presents a new opportunity for growth and success. In conclusion, John Thornhill's Ambassador Program is not just a pathway to financial rewards. It's a journey toward personal and professional growth. By joining, you'll be part of a community dedicated to uplift each other while mastering the art of affiliate marketing together. Embrace this opportunity and transform your future today.